Hi everyone, my name is Alex Bell, and I make Twitch and Kick tutorial videos for streamers who want to grow faster and become partners. Today is May 27th, 2026, and in this video, I'm going to test and compare some of the most popular websites to buy Kick chatters and show you which one actually works in real streams. I have been streaming on Twitch and Kick for years, and one thing I learned very quickly is this: dead chat kills streams. Even if your content is good, new viewers usually leave when they see zero interaction. But when people join a stream and see active conversations happening, they stay longer, engage more, and are more likely to follow. That's why many streamers use Kick chatters to make their streams feel active and alive. But the problem is, most websites selling Kick chatters are either fake, delayed, low quality, or completely bot-like. And after testing multiple providers, the one that worked best for me was Followers Panda. Followers Panda is one of the oldest and most reputable websites for social media growth services. They provide services for Twitch and Kick streamers and are known for reliable delivery and responsive support. What impressed me most was their AI Kick chatters service. These are not basic spam bots. The chatters are GPT powered and fully context aware, meaning they actually understand what is happening on your stream and respond intelligently in real time. So let me show you exactly how it works step by step. First, open Google and search for Followers Panda. Click on the first website in the search results. Once you are on the website, go to the menu section and click on AI Kick chatters. Here you will see different packages available depending on how many AI chatters you want to add to your stream. For this tutorial, I am going to order 50 AI Kick chatters. Now, one thing I really liked about this service is the amount of control you get. You can pause and resume chatters anytime, control the join interval, adjust how active the chat feels, and manage everything from a dedicated control panel. This makes the engagement feel much more natural compared to regular fake chatbots. So after selecting the package, click on Buy Now. Now you will be taken to the checkout page. Here, enter your Kick username and your email address. After that, click on Proceed to Checkout. Next, verify your account using the OTP sent to your email. Create your password and continue to the payment section. You will see multiple payment methods available, including Stripe, PayPal, and crypto. For my order, I added funds to the wallet and paid directly using the wallet balance. Once the payment is successful, your order will start processing instantly. Now let's check the stream. As you can see on screen, the AI chatters have already joined the stream. And this is the interesting part. They are actually reacting to what the streamer is saying in real time. Instead of repeating random messages, they respond naturally and keep the conversation active. That makes the stream feel much more engaging for real viewers joining the channel. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.